The MSc Sports Rehabilitation and Therapy is a one-year master's degree programme for graduates of undergraduate sports and exercise programmes who are looking to become sports rehabilitators and ultimately join the British Association of Sports Rehabilitators and Trainers. On this course you'll learn all of the skills required to become a graduate sports rehabilitator. That will include a range of different treatment techniques, exercise rehabilitation skills, and understanding how to become a clinician. Our course includes elements of both rehabilitation and therapy. Therapy would be the clinical tools that a therapist might use to treat a sports injury, such as massage, manual therapy, soft tissue techniques. Exercise rehabilitation would be using exercise as the main tool to rehabilitate an individual or an athlete from injury.
What made me choose ACC was the professionalism from the university, the striving to make everything better.
What sparked my interest was just the focus around sports, because I've had training in NHS type physio. I wanted that sports specific knowledge, so that is what mainly sparked my interest.
The course is taught over 2 academic semesters. Semester 1 is all about the core skills that you need, so the sciences that underpin rehabilitation, so that would be clinical assessment of sports injuries, an introduction to some clinical techniques before we move into semester 2, and then semester 2 we tend to specialise on more interventions, so that could be looking into cardiac rehabilitation or neurological rehabilitation, looking at exercise rehab as a tool in providing rehab programs for injured individuals. Students on this programme will complete a minimum 400 hours of clinical placement across a range of different clinical environments.
The experience that our tutors bring, all of them have worked with top-end teams. They also have worked in just private clinics as well, so they have experience in all areas, and they bring that experience and knowledge to the sessions with them, and they're more than willing to share.
Studying rehabilitation is intense, but it's enjoyable. It offers you every opportunity to progress yourself as a person and as a professional.
We have a hybrid curriculum where most of the theoretical content is delivered online through our virtual learning environment, so that students can consume that information during their own time, at their leisure, as is appropriate for their day-to-day life. As master's students it's important because their lives can be a bit more complex than undergraduate students. When students are here, practical sessions are completely focused on skills and learning and doing rather than theory. It's integrating that theory into practice and applying it to different patient populations.
But doing this course has really allowed me to progress in myself and also find that love of sport that I had previously.
After graduating from here, I would like to go into professional sport, particularly rugby. That is something that I would like to get into.
Once I've graduated, I like to work with elite athletes, either in football or motorsport, but then taking in as many opportunities as I can, regardless of the sport.
What I would say to someone who's thinking about studying here is to just do it. It was the best choice I ever made, and it's definitely going to help me towards where I want to be once I graduate.